Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get MasterTrack certificates on Coursera, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So on the home page, if you scroll down, you can see the Explore MasterTrack certificates, and here you can check the certificates. And if you like one of these, click on that one. For example, Finance Analysis and Modeling MasterTrack certificate, and then here you should see all the necessary information, the price, how long it will take to get that certificate. You can see that it's 100% online courses, so you do not have to show up at that university. Everything is online, so this is really great. From your home you can complete these courses and you can get certificates, which are really great. And if you want to apply, click on the apply now, and here you are almost there. Enrollment for the next session is now open. Please follow these steps to enroll. Submit a MasterTrack application. Use your email to choose a program after registering your application. Enter MasterTrack as the keyword choice and set a word type to any. Your application will be processed by this university. So here you can check all the necessary information to enroll to these courses, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.